Hi there, I'm Isko, your friendly guy from DILG. I'm here to show you how everything works, step by step, so it's super easy and stress-free. Ready? Let's get started. Planning to travel abroad while your area is under a state of calamity? Here's a quick guide on how to secure a Foreign Travel Authority, or FTA, during a state of calamity. Let's walk you through the requirements, approval process, and step-by-step application. If you're an elective or appointed local government official or employee, an FTA is required for both official and unofficial foreign travel. During a state of calamity, emergency, or crisis, all foreign travel must be approved by the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, or SILG. Applications are submitted online through the FTA Online System version 3.0, accessible at fta.dilg.gov.ph. Applications should be submitted at least 7 working days before departure date. Applicants must prepare the required documentary requirements, depending on whether the travel is official or unofficial. All documents must be in PDF format, with a maximum file size of 25 megabytes and uploaded completely and clearly to the system. Where and how to apply? Step 1. Visit fta.dilg.gov.ph and click How to Apply. Read the instructions carefully. Step 2. Enter all required information and upload the necessary documents in PDF format. Make sure all details are complete and correct. Step 3. Submit your application. Once completed, the system will automatically generate an application number, which you can use to track your request. Step 4. Monitor the status of your application by clicking Follow Up and entering your application number. And Step 5. Once approved, the FTA document will be sent directly to your registered email address. Always ensure that your travel complies with existing rules during a state of calamity. Incomplete or incorrect submissions may cause delays. Apply early, submit complete requirements, and don't forget to share your feedback through the Client Satisfaction Survey. DILG 11, ensuring accountability, even beyond borders.